Hello and welcome to my workshop. This is the Almond Bank workshop tour around just to show what there is and why it's here. The last thing I would say down here is the sanding station. I have 3 machines here and to my opinion I have sufficient. I can handle all I need in here. Underneath I've got all my sanding papers, belts and drums. I say I haven't. I've got a lot over there as well. I've got some hanging over there. You've always got too many, but I've got most of them here. Now, what I've got here, the oscillating drum sander, of course, is a must. The belt sander, I keep it in the vertical position like this. I don't ever have it flat. I don't know why. I just don't find the need. And a drum sander. On the back there, I've got a mini belt sander with a drum. That's for doing small fine work, like when you're doing wooden cogs and stuff like that. Perfect for that. Now, here it's situated in a nice comfortable place. It's connected up to the blast gate there and the power points there. But occasionally it's in the way from my saw table. The gap there is not enough. When I'm putting big stuff in here, I've got to have it shifted. So, it was put on wheels. And if I want to do anything, that this is in the way, or I want to get to that back tool, I turn it around. Now I can work on this one, or I can, if I'm going to be doing big work on the saw table, I can take it completely out of it. And now I've got a big open space again, which is nice to get when you can. That's why it's on wheels. We're having to keep moving things around to do jobs, setting things up, unsetting things. It can sometimes be a little bit tedious, but you've got to keep your mind reflecting back to the time, which I'm pretty sure many of you do, when all of us power tools were attachments for the drill. And we spent more time stripping it down and setting it up to do something else than we ever did doing the work. So moving a couple of things around to get optimal out of your workshop when you set up like this, it's a breeze. We're not going to worry about it. Now when I first built this workshop, it didn't have a second floor. It just had this enormous ceiling height, which to me was a waste. So I put in the beams anyway across to floor the whole area. I made a staircase. I think it cost me 20 quid, did that, out of timbers that I bought from the timber yard. Just so that I can then use upstairs as a storage, and then it evolved and I put a little dormer up there, and now I have a as I call delicate workshop, a workshop where if I've got some electrical work to do and stuff like that, I'll do it up there. Down here I can carry on making all the mess while I've got something going on up there. Also I have up there my scroll saw, nice and convenient because it's quite a big tool really, and it needs to be movable. Also got to think of things of comfort a little bit because you're going to be in here a long time. I am. Take this. Disabled shower seat. It were bust. I supplied it to the customer originally. It broke. They called me. I replaced it. I complained to the company. They sent me a replacement. This bit here had broke off. When I got it back, I stuck an old bracket on it, couple of bolts, it works beautiful. So I show it here. So every so often I can sit and read and rest and relax and take the weight off. I don't do it often. Sometimes it's nice. Anyway, let's go upstairs and have a look around. The LEDs on the stairway going up here. Bits of cladding board because this is part of my job. It's all leftover offcuts. I ain't spent loads of money doing all this lot. I'm just using offcut leftovers. And like I said, here's my scroll saw. I sit down here, got the dust extractor in, powered up, lights are on. I can sit and relax and looking out the window, nice and comfortable. Moving this out the way, I can then get to the bench, which is quite solid for what it is. It's not like I've got downstairs. You see, I've got vice here, I've got soldering tools here, I've got fine material tools, and then a lot of storage. Here, as you'll see, a massive storage using trays to slide out to store all kinds of stuff. And this is all up inside the roof space, what was not used. So it's just now utilised and it's good and solid. Oh, and another reasonably useful tool. On wheels again, the planer thicknesser, just shoved in the corner, out the way. Because again, no space for it. But when I need it, I just pull it out to where I want, use it, put it back again. And also outside in my compound, which is another room beyond this, I have there the dust extractor, which comes from all these pipes, and also the compressor, which I just hit a switch over there, comes on. I have these pipes, which I just plug my hoses in and use my power tool, use my air tools as and when I want to do so, without any problem at all, very easily. The dust extractor works from the switch over there. It's also on a remote control that I carry around my neck. Again, very simple. That's the end of the big tools. Right, well, I hope that gives you a bit of an insight into what I do, why I do it, and I'll manage to get away with doing so much in such a little space. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed it. If you've got any questions, shove them in the bottom. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I will see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.